this pandemic, we all are eating all kind of junk and practically it's not possible to maintain a good clean diet. So today I will be giving you a simple and healthy wheat pizza recipe to make your diet a bit cleaner and stop your weight gain. Hello friends, so the question is why a wheat pizza? Using refined flour, also called maida, is the main culprit for weight gain as it contains only carbohydrate. Adding wheat not only makes it high in fiber, proteins and vitamins but it's tasty as well. We can use fat-free cheese or minimum of regular cheese. Also, the recipe is simple and makes you psychologically satisfying to have your favorite junk in a much healthy form. So let's get started. First, the ingredients: 2.5 cup wheat flour, 1 teaspoon yeast, half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon sugar, half cup curd, 2 teaspoon oil, half cube cheese, half cup capsicum, half cup tomato or half cup paneer or half cup mushroom, oregano, chili flakes. Step 1. Kneading for pizza paste dough. 2.5 cup of wheat flour is taken. Add water, 2 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of yeast. Knead the mixture for 5 to 10 minutes to make thick dough. Keep the dough aside for half an hour. In case you don't have yeast at home, you can use half cup curd instead. Step 2. Spreading the dough. Take the dough ball and spread it with balen or hand to make a rounded bread. Mash the dough, that is, make multiple holes with fork. Step 3. Baking the bread. Take a deep pizza pan. Put some oil or Nutrilite fat-free butter in it. Heat it on low flames. Put the bread with the mashed surface downwards. Allow it to get baked for 2 minutes. That is, should be half baked. Take the bread out. Step 4. Adding the toppings. Spread pizza sauce available in the market over the bread. I also add tomato ketchup to it. It's up to you to use it or not. Then add the toppings of tomatoes, capsicum, paneer, boiled soya chunks, mushroom or cooked chicken chunks as per choice. Garnish it with fat-free cheese or half cube of regular cheese. You can add chili flakes and oregano now or maybe later once the pizza is completely baked. Step 5. Baking the pizza. Bake the pizza again for 5 to 10 minutes till the bread is properly swollen up. It appears a bit brown. Once baked, the pizza turns slightly hard. Here is your wheat pizza ready. Slice it and serve it with sauce, oregano and chili flakes. It's simple, healthy and easy to make. Servings are 2 to 3 pizza. Calories are 200 to 250 calories per pizza. Though the calories are high, but they come from whole wheat with very less fat in it. I hope you like the recipe. Try it for once and I feel you will surely like it. If you find this recipe interesting, then do subscribe my channel for many more such videos. Do tell me in the comment box how was your pizza. So that's it for now. Bye bye.